Hey, I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and today we're going to make this bird oven rack puller. It's pretty neat, and it's pretty handy too. Let's check it out. Here's my cardboard template I cut out of my bird. It was supposed to be a parrot, but it almost looks like a skinny puffin to me, so he's a puffin now. I transferred that cardboard template to this piece of oak that I got off a pallet. Well, this is taking a really long time. I wonder if I had better luck on my jigsaw. That's pretty much it. If I'm going to trust this parrot to take my food out of the oven, he's going to need an eye so we can see what he's doing. Yeah, I'm having a really bad case of I just had it and now it's gone. Don't know where my respirator is. I just used it earlier and it's gone. It's gone. Wacky. Can't spend all day looking for it. So at this point with our oak parrot, he's sanded smooth. There's nothing really left to do but finish him with spray wax. I call him Okie. A few more coats of that and he will be ready to pull some food out of the oven for me. Very easy project. I gotta apologize if this project is not super exciting this week compared to the last couple weeks. I've actually got a real big project that I'm working on right now for a video, and I think y'all will like it a lot, but it's time consuming. I whipped up this guy. Steve Ramsey has a video for an oven rack puller, and I'll include a link in the description of this. And I made that one just downloading his template, and I realized I was using it like almost every day. So it really is such a super handy project to have, which is why I decided to make a video for it, making this goofy looking bird. Subscribe to Means Woodshop. I post new woodworking videos every single Friday, and every Wednesday I do a follow-up video on the previous Friday's project. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.